What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. Monday came a little bit of a tough day, to be honest, but we use the Fibonacci here to help us make some good profits. So I'm going to be breaking it all down for you. If you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, let me shout out some of you guys here. What's going on? One Cap, Ramon, Trading Wars Army in the building. Chinton, what's going on? Adriana, Trading Wars Army, Sharky, Trading Wars Army, Omar, Bad Indie, Trading Wars Army, Spirit Turbo, what's going on? Handsome Dan, Trading Wars Army in the building, Mitchell from Canada, what's going on? Deeves, YouTube Ed, Angie, good to see you. All right. So, let's go ahead and hit the market replay, and I will walk you through all the trades today. So, first thing we have to do is draw the previous day's low so that can give us an idea of where we are opening. Okay, so I always have the low and the high of the previous day because that's going to let us to see where we are opening. And then if we go to the first 3-minute candle here, guys, you can see that we gap down. Okay, so we gap down right off the bat. And Glenn, what's going on from Ohio? Mauricio, what's going on, brother? So once we gap down like this, I love to trade the opening range breakout. But today I was definitely very suspicious because this week is all about earnings. And whenever there's earnings, a lot of the time you'll see a lot of market manipulation. And the reason is there's a lot more algorithms, there's a lot more robots, there's a lot more basically stop hunting that happens in the market. And you're going to see right off the open, guys, that we got into a little bit of trouble. We got stop hunted, but I'm going to show you how I recovered that and made some profit. Okay, so follow me here first. So the first thing we did was an opening range breakout. So once this 3-minute bar broke the low, we went short. And if I take a Fibonacci on this bar, I love to use the Fibonacci's as my guides. We got to the 272, which was our first target, but that was pretty much it. As soon as that came through, guys, we had this reversal. Okay, so the opening range breakout was a failure, got a little bit, and then the rest of it got stopped out. So that was a loser off the bat. Okay, then from there, guys, I realized right here that I got stop hunted. Okay, I realized that right there because I had my stop loss at the high of the day and it poked me out just a little bit. And then it went ahead and made a new low. So I was a little bit upset about that because I got stop hunted right here. But that's just a part of the game. That's going to happen, especially in earnings week. We're going to see that a lot. If this was a normal week, you generally don't get stop hunted like this. But hey, that's a part of the game. I'm going to show you now how we recovered from that. Hit me with a 10 if you've ever been stop hunted before. Has that happened to you guys before? STK, what's going on? Trading Wars Army, Jay Fish, what's going on, brother? Phoenix in the building. Has that ever happened to you guys? So anyone that traded the 0 DTE options, they were fine because whenever we trade 0 days to expire, we don't have a stop loss because whatever you put in, that's what you're willing to risk, right? But in this case here, we actually rolled over and I got stopped out. But from here, this is what I did. I switched first to the 15-minute chart, okay? So the 15-minute chart, anytime, guys, write this down. Anytime the lower time frames are giving you trouble, anytime the lower time frames are choppy, go one time frame up, okay? Go one time frame up. And that time frame up is going to give you a clearer picture. So I went straight up to the 15-minute chart right after that, okay? And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the low of this 15-minute bar, okay? Because this was the first point where I entered short again. So even though I got stopped out, I re-entered short right there. I'm going to go to the 5 minutes so I can show you how I played this. So I re-entered short right here and we started to pull back up. So what I did here, guys, this was the play of the day, is I took the Fibonacci from the high to the low. And the reason that I did that was because I saw that we had a violent push down, right? We had a big violent push down. So even though, we're starting to come back up, I'm using the assumption that this leg down, this is what I call the morning leg from my Fibonacci book, this leg down is going to hold. Okay, so as we came back up, I entered short, guys, using the Fibonacci here right on the 786. Okay, so got short here, and then we rolled over and made a new low. So it was great. And the same thing, guys, on the way down, I used the targets, the same Fibonacci targets. Like I showed you, 10%, 0.169272. I use these on the way down to scale out. So that was my recovery play off of the Fibonacci. If it wasn't for the Fibonacci today, I would have made no money at all. And let me just walk you guys through the live commentary so I can show you. So we started off here with an orb. I went short, and then we got stopped out right here at 8:38 Central, which is 9:38 Eastern. And then from there, I set it right here. So switching over to the 5 and the 50-minute chart now, lots of chop, like I expected for earnings, all good. We move on to the next. So damn, got stop run. So I was really feeling that in the morning, guys, honestly, because when I got poked out here, I was really disappointed because it made my move after. But that's just a part of the game sometimes. Okay, so from there, you could see right here, we got short again on the 15. And then right here, I drew up the fib for everybody in the room. And then we caught that short right here. So I took a small short on 786. So I was short on the 15-minute opening range breakout and the 786. I put out all the targets here and we hit them on the way down. And thank God for the fibs. Otherwise, I wouldn't have made no money today. All right. So hit me with a 5 if you follow me there so far. So let's just focus on the fib for a second here. Right. What the fib is looking for is whenever you have an impulsive move. An impulsive move means that you move very powerful in one direction. And let's go to the 1-minute chart, and then we could probably look at these in a lot of detail. Okay, so we can look at this in a lot of detail. Okay, so let's look at this together. Okay, so on a 1-minute chart, we'll be able to see it. Oops, what did I do? We'll be able to see it a little bit more clearly. Okay. So here we go. Where was I? Okay. Okay. So here is the morning right here. Boom. YouTube Ed with the $1.49 super sticker. Thank you, my brother. Very much appreciate that. So we had this push down right here. Okay. And this is where I was looking short, right? If I take the Fibonacci from the low to the high here, you can see that we did roll over eventually, but we got stopped out first. Okay. So depending, if you took 0 day to expire contracts and you did full risk, you would have been fine, right? But this one here, guys, stopped me out. All right. That one stopped me out. So that's number one. Okay. From there, we had a bullish move up, right? So we had a bullish move up from there. So now you can draw the fib the other way from low to high. And you can see here, guys, look at this reaction we got on the 50. So when you're playing Fibonacci and you want to play it aggressive, you can just come and just put your orders here, right? So we tagged the 50, tagged the 618, we pop back up. So what I like to do is when we get to these fibs, I like to go ahead and start taking targets on the way back up with each fib on the way back up. Okay. Hit me with a 7 right now. Hit me with a 7 right now if you guys are following me right there. Does that make sense? So the fib, you need first a directional move. So we had this move down. Okay, that's one move. Here's a move up. And then once you have that clear move, once we start pulling back, that's where you're going to put your order, because the whole point of the Fibonacci is to buy the pullback or short the pullback. You want to pull back because a pullback is going to give you a cheaper deal. Okay. And then from there, we have a very nice clean leg here, which breaks this low. So anytime you're going to break the low of the day, you're going to break anything significant, that's going to be a key for where you draw your leg. And this is the one we ended up taking in the room. If I go from high to low right here, you could see, guys, it was a perfect 786. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. Like that right there, guys, that just shows you the power of Fibonacci right there. All right. You guys see that? Hit me with a 9 if you see that. That is the power of Fibonacci. It's so accurate. It's crazy. Like, if you catch that, guys, right? So as an example, if you catch that right here, you put your stop loss at the high of the day like this, and you take it down, let's say to the 272 target, that's basically 5 times your money. All right. So you can go ahead and lose the next 5 trades and still make money. That's why it's so powerful. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. Okay. Now I want you to watch this now. This is very important. Okay. So we had this leg here, high to low. Right. Now notice this. Okay. Notice this. This is what we call reversal style trading. Do you guys want to see some reversal style of trading? So how you can use the fib for reversals? Hit me with a 3 right now. Do you want to see a reversal style? Okay. I'm going to teach you something different right now. It's called reversal. So on the paper that you have right now, or if you have the Fibonacci book, I need you to draw a little box and you're going to write reversal, because this is going to be different. This is called measured moves. So I will write that down for you. Okay. So measured move completion. What does that mean? Well, you know how we're taking the fib on the pullback, right? But you can also take the fib on a measured move. So when it's completed. So what does that mean when it's completed? So when we have a leg, we pull back. The goal is to make a new low in this case, right? Which we do. So where can we see reversal? So we know here, guys, all of these levels are potential reversal areas, all of them, right? In terms of getting the best risk to reward, you really want to focus on the 50 and below, or the 272, because it's pretty accurate. 272 is pretty accurate, right? So right here, guys, watch this market symmetry. We come back, we tag the 50% extension right there, guys. And if you have your Lotto calls right there, your 0 days to expire calls, guys, look at this move back up. Look how powerful that move is back up, right? So this is the reversal. You can wait, okay? You can wait and say, all right, I'll let the Fibonacci trade. I'll let it do its thing. So I identified the 786 traded. Now where can the bulls be? Well, now you use the extensions for your measured move completion, all right? Hit me with a 4 if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Hit me with a 4 if that makes sense. Right? All these concept guys are in my Fib book, okay? For anybody that's interested, they're all in this book. And if you get a copy of this book, you can trade, you get to trade for 1 month for free with us in the room. So you can come with us tomorrow. All right? So that's measured move. So some traders, your goal is to just focus on a measured move. You wait for the move. It's great because you can sit back, but you got to have patience. So I like doing these measured moves. I actually like doing them on the daily charts and swing trades, because then the bars are closed and I can see it after it's closed, and I can put the order in at the end of the day. When you're trading live, you have to wait, and sometimes it's a little bit hard to wait. We all know that, right? So there's your measured move. And then from here, let's talk about the next legs. Okay. So once we make a new low here, your anchor point for your short goes from high to low right here. You could see we had a 50% rejection, textbook, right? 50, 50, rejected it twice. And then usually when you have a measured move completion, you're going to have the opposing leg, which you draw from the low to the high. You're going to have an opposing right here. So this was an opposing 786. And this one was really nice because it gave you an outside bar confirmation that the bull algo was there. Because you could see when we came to the 786, we pushed a very big bullish outside bar, which ran us all the way back up. Okay. So those plays. And then after that, guys, into the afternoon, you usually get a little bit of chop. You go sideways. It's, back and forth. You can see it's back and forth. So I always like to look at the fibs right off the bat in the morning, try to catch that algo and let it take me into the close if possible, right? And right here, guys, so that was that 5 minute right there. So hit me with the 2 if you follow that. So that was the reversal Fibonacci, which was the off of the measured move. We had the bull on a 5 minute chart. You can actually see a Nirvana pattern which took us up. This one was chop, and then this Ragnarok was not well either. But today, and I expect this for the rest of the week to be very choppy. So that's why I wanted to teach you guys about the fibs, because if you're trying to buy breakouts in the chop, you will lose your money. Very simple. But if I can show you how to get pullbacks, now all of a sudden you can make money because you're getting a deal. Okay. Think about it like this. For every breakout that fails, you have to get maybe 5 or 6 breakouts that win in order to make money. Because when a breakout fails in terms of option contracts, you're going to lose a lot, right? You could lose 50, 60% right off the bat. But if you're trading with the fibs, with the option contracts, and if you get one of them and those makes 100% return or whatnot, you could lose the next few trades and still be break even. So that's the kind of mindset that I want to switch with you guys. All right. So that's SPY. Hit me with a 10 if you got that recap. So I like to trade the morning, and I'm pretty much done. After this, guys, we did have some more fibs that played out in the day. So let me just show you on the bigger picture here. Again, we had this high to low right here, and we pulled back to the 50, which traded pretty much close to the 272 right here, not all the way down. And then you could see on this extensions area down here, we had actually some confirmation because we had this inside bar. So whenever you get like a candlestick confirmation with the actual Fibonacci, that is always going to be a very powerful trade. Very, very powerful. So we had that bear. And then if we actually draw the bull, so the bull was from low to high right here, guys. It came to the 50 perfectly. And guess what? Another outside bar confirmation. So I will say today, guys, if you're playing the fibs and if you waited for some of the candlestick confirmations, it was a very, very good day. Very good day. For me, in the first trade in the morning, I got beat up, but thankfully I got the fib back here, and the 50-minute opening range breakout took me down. and I was able to make back my money, which was a good day for me. All right. So if we could just survive this week of earnings and still make some money, that's really, really good, because we're already up a lot in April. We already made a lot of money in April. Now this week is all about protecting. It's all about taking good trades and just locking in the profits when you can. All right. So there we go, guys. So now just looking back at SPY, you know, I man, this is pretty funny. So looking back at SPY here, guys, I posted this Lottos. I'm going to walk you guys through this right now. Okay. So I posted these Lottos here. I'm going to show you right now. So let's go here. So we'll go Trading Wars. So let's go back. So on the weekend, I posted some Lotto call plays, and you guys are going to be like, no way. You're going to be like, no way. Trust me. Okay. So here we go. So these were my Lotto call plays, 421.65 and 415.78. So I posted this on the weekend. I said SPY last chance discount sale Lotto calls BTFD. If we retrace lower, some key areas for bull Lotto calls, 421.65. Watch this now. Okay. So let me just take this line here and I'm going to move it. Okay. So there we go, guys. So Lotto, right? Lotto call. Once it comes there, guys, you have your order waiting. We took a little bit of heat, right? Like we did take some heat. So you could see right here, we took some heat, but it picked back up and closed positively, guys. So that's what I mean by Lotto. So how did I come up with that? All I did right here, guys, is I took the fib. So you taking it from the lowest anchor, pulling it back up here, guys. I was just looking at that 786. And my friends, listen to me. This is what we call basically fractal trading. The Fibonacci is happening on every single time frame, guys. It's so amazing because you can do the same style on the daily, on the 5-minute, 3-minute, 1-minute, whatever. But what it does is it gives you a good risk reward. Why would you be chasing short here? Why would you want to be chasing short when this is a good opportunity to buy the dip? In terms of a risk to reward, you have a better chance because the calls are going to be beat up. So I'm always trying to teach you guys about risk to reward. So that one was amazing, guys. And please make sure you follow the Twitter. Okay. I always put that in. I always put the Twitter. I always put that in there. And then for the April swing trades right here. So I posted this for my members. So the entry was 421.65. Stop was 410.64. So the short didn't get filled because we didn't go to 427.83. So I'm going to close that. And the long, so the first target is 425.49. So let me just check that out right here. The high of the day was 428.69. Okay. So 428.69. So we got to the partial. It depends the way you want to play with the option contracts. I normally go 2 weeks out, but this one was a beautiful, beautiful winner. So I'm just copy this here and I'm going to put partial. Okay. So we're going to still hold this one. Like this is a play for a few weeks out, but still, guys, I mean, this is sensational. All right. And I just love the fibs. I want to show you it because it changed my life as a trader. It made me a better trader, guys, because I'm always thinking about getting a deal. I'm always trying to go into Five Below and get it and get a bottle of Hennessy at Five Below. You know, I'm not trying to walk into the liquor store. I'm trying to go into Five Below and get it because I want a good deal. All right. Hit me with a 9 if you follow me there on everything. Hit me with a 9. All right. So I always post these exact trading plans for my swing traders in the swing room and SPY commentary. We do it live every day in SPY room. All right, guys. All right. So, hey, if you enjoyed the stream, if you learned something, I know a lot of you are making money with the fibs. I'm getting messages every single day. So please support me if you can, my friends. Grab a copy of the Fibonacci book. The first part is all about the fibs. Here's the table of contents, 70 pages. And then the second part is all about how you can go ahead and integrate the Fibonacci with options using automated orders, conditional orders, market orders, all that. I talk about that in the book. Grab a copy of the book. I'll see you tomorrow. If you're interested, you can come trade with us. And it's $88.60 to represent the 88.6 fib, but we will be raising the price soon. All right. Otherwise than that, you can check me out on the main page here if you want to sign up for the rooms directly. 2 more announcements. Who wants to do a giveaway? Hit me with the 5 if you want to do a giveaway right now. Hit me with the 5 if you want to do a giveaway. All right. So we got to go ahead and tweet that right there. We got to go ahead and tweet that, right? So SPY, make sure you like this one, guys. Let's see how we're going to write this one. So we'll say SPY. Did you like your discounted sale? Trust the Fibonacci. Hashtag Fib for life. So there we go. Take a screenshot right here. That's how we do it. That's behind the scenes. You guys just got behind the scenes. You don't even, man, you guys don't even know. You guys are like VIP in the building. You get to see how the tweets are happening. Man, you guys are crazy. So we also got the Lotto calls printing. Okay, and we always got to do this. Watch me. If you're trying to grow your Twitter, do this, okay? Because if you don't do this, then nobody cares. So we said, heart if you like my free Lotto plays. You got to do it, guys. Trust me. If you don't do it, your engagement's going to drop and Twitter is going to pretend like you don't exist. All right? Just trust me on that. I've been in this game a long time. All right. So anyways, where are we at? Okay, giveaway. Let's do it. So, man, you guys love your giveaways, man. You guys are like me. You guys always want a good deal. You always want a good deal. I appreciate that. I really do. All right. So the video we're going to do, the giveaway from, is the trading spy for a living. This one was a really big hit. 2.3K views. That's really, really big for me. I don't really get that much that quickly. So we have 43 comments in here. So let's go ahead and pick a random number right here. Random number generator from 1 to 43. Random. And we will pick the winner. 1 to 43. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 35. Okay. 35. If you want my fib settings, it's all on my website. All right. It's all on my websites. All right. So number 35. So who do we got in the building? Who's the winner? So I'm going to count backwards. 42, 41. Okay, wait, hold on. 43, 42, 37, 36, 35. All right. It's brother right here. And this man actually deserves this for sure because right here, Ain Cop, right here, this brother, he comments on every video. So I'm very happy for you to win the giveaway, brother. So thank you so much for all your support and everyone who commented. It really helps me out a lot. You are the giveaway winner, brother. DM me on Twitter. We will get you verified. We'll get you your book and your 1 month for free. Thank you very much. All right. Who wants to do another giveaway? Who wants to do another giveaway? Let's do another giveaway for the Trading Wars Army members. Strong in the building. Hit me with a 3 for a Trading Wars Army member giveaway. Okay. So this is how you join the Army. For anybody that's interested, come over here. You click join on my channel. You can join right there. Every week, or at least twice a month, I do giveaways just for the Army for your support. So thank you very much. All right, who do we have in the building? Let's see. Okay, let's go to the customized channel. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here we go. So how many people do we have in the Army these days? I mean, the Army has been strong. We've been close to our 100 Army members, and they hold the line. They hold the line, guys. They don't disappear. They hold the line. So I really, really appreciate that. I really wish we could get a little bit bigger. But when people see the value that we give, they will. All right, so we have 91. So from 1 to 91. Here we go. 27. All right, so here we go. All right, here's the winner here. I'm going to take a screenshot of his name. Right here. Boom. Dania Garcia, you are the winner. Thank you for being a part of the Trading Wars Army. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate that. DM me on Twitter. We'll get you all set up and verified. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. All right. All right, my friends. So there we go. I really hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I really want you guys to focus on the fibs, and I want you to just even if you don't want to trade the fib, add it to your chart, right? So that way you can go ahead and see if it's going to help your targets, if it's going to help your stop losses, whatever. Okay, so definitely go and check that out, guys, and see. All right, so thank you very much for your time. Please do leave a comment on the video. You'll have a chance to win a giveaway like I do every single week. I hope you enjoyed the stream. This week, be a little bit careful. We're going to be, it's going to be up and down. It's going to be earnings. So don't do anything too greedy. I'm really looking forward to next week where I'm going to hit the ground extremely hard, but I'm still going to try to make some money this week. Okay. Thank you very much, my friends. Appreciate you. Wait, shout out to this brother right here, Jeremy Corradi. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Thank you so much, brother. Let's guys hit this brother here with a TW Army Spy VIP. Welcome to the building. Appreciate you. All right. So there we go. I'm done. And I will see you again tomorrow. I guess we'll do it at the same time. It seems like you guys have seems like you guys really like the later streams. Okay. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right. Thank you very much. Take care.